If your legs feel stiff when you wake up in the morning, if your knees ache when you climb stairs, or if you've noticed your legs just don't feel as strong as they did 10 years ago, I need you to watch this entire video. Because here's what nobody is telling you. Leg weakness after 50 is not just aging. It is not inevitable. And it is not permanent. It is a treatable, reversible condition. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. I'm going to share the science behind why this happens, a real patient story that will surprise you, the exact exercises used in physical therapy clinics across America, and the diet changes that speed up your recovery. Stay with me. Your legs will thank you. Welcome back. I'm Your Name. And on this channel, we focus on practical, science-backed health solutions for people 50 and over, without overwhelming medical jargon and without pushing expensive treatments. Today's video is one of the most important I've made because leg health is the foundation of your independence. Think about it. Everything you love doing, whether it's playing with grandchildren, traveling, gardening, or simply walking to your mailbox, it all depends on strong, pain-free legs. And the research is very clear. Adults who maintain leg strength in their 50s and 60s live longer, fall less, have lower rates of diabetes, and report dramatically higher quality of life. This is not about vanity. This is about your freedom. Science. Journal of Gerontology, 2022. Adults 50+ with strong quadriceps had a 46% lower risk of all-cause mortality over a 10-year follow-up period. Leg strength is now considered a key biomarker of longevity. Before we get into the exercises, I want to tell you about Margaret. She's 67 years old, a retired school teacher from Ohio. She came to a physical therapist last year with a very common complaint. She said, "I used to love hiking with my grandkids. Now I can barely walk from the parking lot to the grocery store without my knees screaming at me." Margaret had been told by one doctor that her knee pain was just wear and tear and that she'd have to live with it. She was given a cortisone shot and sent home. For 2 years, she just stopped walking. She stopped hiking. She stopped going to her church group because the stairs were too painful. She stopped being Margaret. But here's the thing. Margaret did not have severe arthritis. She did not need surgery. What she had was a completely predictable textbook case of muscle atrophy and poor circulation, conditions that respond extraordinarily well to specific targeted movement. Within 8 weeks of starting the exact protocol I'm sharing today, Margaret was back on the hiking trail. She sent her physical therapist a photo from the top of a hill in the Hocking Hills of Ohio. I want that story to be your story, too. The science. Why legs weaken after now. Let's talk about what's actually happening in your body. Because once you understand the biology, the exercises will make complete sense. Because number 1, sarcopenia, muscle loss. Starting around age 35, we naturally lose 1% of muscle mass per year. By age 60, the average American has lost up to 30% of their leg muscle. This condition is called sarcopenia, and it is the single biggest driver of leg weakness in older adults. The good news? Multiple studies have shown sarcopenia is completely reversible with resistance training. You do not need a gym membership, you need the right movements. Research NIH Study, 2021. Resistance training 2 to 3 times per week for just 12 weeks reversed up to 25% of age-related muscle loss in adults aged 60 to 80. Muscle responds to stimulus at any age. Cause number 2, poor circulation, peripheral artery disease risk. As we age, blood vessels become less flexible and blood flow to the lower extremities decreases. This is why many people over 60 experience that heavy, tired, cramping feeling in their legs, especially in the calves. Poor circulation also slows muscle recovery and contributes to varicose veins and swelling. The exercises I'll show you today are specifically designed to act as a pump for your circulatory system, moving blood from your feet all the way back to your heart. Research American Heart Association, 2023. Simple ankle pump exercises performed daily reduced peripheral circulation symptoms by 34% in adults over 55 in a 6-week controlled trial. Cause number 3, knee joint degeneration and inflammation. Many people assume knee pain means bone rubbing on bone, but research shows that 70% of knee pain in people over 50 is actually caused by weak muscles around the knee, not the joint itself. The quadriceps, hamstrings, and calf muscles form a living shock absorber around your knee. When those muscles weaken, the joint takes all the impact. The fix is not rest. The fix is targeted strengthening, nerve compression, and reduced proprioception. As we age, the nerves in our legs become slower, and the position sense in our feet and ankles, called proprioception, deteriorates. This is why many older adults feel unsteady on their feet and are at higher risk of falls. Falls are the #1 cause of injury-related death in Americans over 65. The balance exercises in today's routine directly target this neurological component, something most fitness videos completely ignore. Cause number 5, hormonal changes. Declining testosterone in men and estrogen in women after 50 directly reduces the body's ability to build and maintain muscle tissue. This is why leg weakness often accelerates in the 50s. It is partly hormonal. However, exercise itself stimulates growth hormone and increases testosterone naturally. A 2023 Stanford study found that adults who performed lower body resistance training had significantly higher circulating growth hormone levels compared to sedentary adults of the same age. The exercises. All right, here are the 5 exercises. These are used by physical therapists across the United States with patients exactly like Margaret. You can do all of these at home, most of them in a chair. I'll give you a complete routine at the end of this section. Exercise number 1, seated leg press, chair squats. This is the king of senior leg exercises. It targets the quadriceps, glutes, and hamstrings simultaneously, the exact muscles that support your knee. Here's how. Sit in a sturdy chair, feet shoulder width apart. Slowly stand up. Take 3 full seconds to rise. Then slowly sit back down. Take 3 seconds to lower yourself. That slowness is the secret. The eccentric phase, lowering down, is where the muscle rebuilding happens. Sets and reps, 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Rest, 60 seconds between sets. Why it works. The quadriceps are responsible for 60% of knee joint stabilization. Strengthening them is the single most effective intervention for both knee pain and fall prevention in older adults. Exercise number 2, ankle pumps, the circulation miracle. This is the exercise from title number 2, and it is shockingly powerful. Sit in a chair or lie in bed. Simply flex your foot up toward your shin, hold for 2 seconds, then point your toes away, hold 2 seconds. Repeat rhythmically. The calf muscle acts as your body's second heart. Every contraction pumps venous blood back up to your heart. People who do this daily see dramatic reductions in leg swelling, cramping, and that heavy leg feeling. Duration: 3 minutes, 3 times per day. Can be done anywhere, anytime. Why it works. Stasis of blood in the lower legs contributes to blood clots, varicose veins, and chronic inflammation. Ankle pumps are prescribed by vascular surgeons post-surgery precisely because of their circulatory effectiveness. Exercise number 3, wall slides, knee pain eliminator. Stand with your back flat against a wall, feet about 18 inches from the wall. Slowly slide down until your knees are at about 45 degrees, not 90 degrees if you have knee pain. Hold that position for 10 seconds. Slide back up. This builds the VMO, the teardrop-shaped muscle on the inner quad, which is the most important muscle for eliminating knee pain. Sets and reps, 3 sets of 10 to 15-second holds. Modify. Go less deep if any sharp pain. Why it works, studies show VMO. Weakness is present in 94% of knee osteoarthritis patients. Targeted VMO activation through partial-range wall slides has been shown to reduce anterior knee pain by 38% in 4 weeks. Exercise number 4, standing calf raises, balance plus strength. Stand behind a chair. Hold the back lightly for balance. Your fingertips only, not your full grip. Rise up on your toes as high as you comfortably can. Hold 2 seconds at the top, then lower slowly over 3 seconds. This builds calf strength, improves ankle stability, and directly trains your proprioceptive system, your body's internal GPS for balance. Sets and reps. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Progress to single leg as you get stronger. Why it works. The Achilles calf complex is the most powerful force generator in the lower leg. Weakness here is strongly correlated with falls in older adults. Single-leg calf raises are used as a clinical test of fall risk. Exercise number 5, glute bridges, the hidden powerhouse. Lie on your back, knees bent at about 90 degrees, feet flat on the floor. Press through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line, the most neglected in older adults. Weak glutes cause the knees to collapse inward under load, which is a primary cause of knee pain. Sets and reps. 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Modified. Place a pillow under lower back if needed. Why it works. A 2023 study in the Journal of Orthopedic and Sports Physical Therapy found that glute bridge training reduced knee pain scores by 44% in older adults, outperforming quad-only protocols. Strong glutes protect knees. Complete weekly routine. Here's exactly how to structure your week. This is what Margaret followed. Do not do all 5 exercises every single day. Your muscles need 48 hours to rebuild. Monday chair squats, plus wall slides, plus glute bridges, strength and knee pain. Tuesday ankle pumps, 3 times daily, 3 minutes each. Circulation. Every day Wednesday, calf raises plus chair. Squats, balance, and strength. Thursday, rest plus ankle pumps. Recovery, Friday, all 5 exercises, full circuit, full lower body. Saturday, gentle walk, 20 to 30 minutes. Active recovery Sunday, rest plus ankle pumps, full recovery diet and nutrition for leg strength. Exercise is the engine, but nutrition is the fuel. Without the right nutrients, your muscles cannot rebuild. Here are the most important dietary changes that will dramatically accelerate your results. Protein, the non-negotiable. Most Americans over 50 eat less than half the protein their muscles need to rebuild. The research is extremely clear. You need a minimum of 1.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. That's about 0.6 grams per pound. For a 160-pound adult, that's 96 grams of protein daily. Best sources: eggs, Greek yogurt, salmon, chicken breast, cottage cheese, and legumes. Research, American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, 2022. Older adults who consumed 30 grams of protein at each meal had 2.3 times greater muscle protein synthesis rates compared to those who spread protein unevenly throughout the day. Vitamin D and calcium. The bone-muscle connection. Vitamin D deficiency is present in over 41% of Americans and is directly linked to muscle weakness and increased fall risk. Most people over 50 need 1,000 to 2,000 IU of vitamin D3 daily. Get your levels tested, a simple blood test. Pair it with calcium-rich foods, dairy, leafy greens, almonds, and sardines. Anti-inflammatory foods, fight joint pain. From inside, chronic low-grade inflammation is a major driver of joint pain and muscle breakdown after 50. Add these anti-inflammatory powerhouses to your daily diet: fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, turmeric with black pepper, olive oil, blueberries, and walnuts. Reduce ultra-processed foods, refined sugar, and vegetable seed oils. These actively increase joint inflammation. Magnesium, the muscle cramp solution. Leg cramps, muscle spasms, and nighttime restless legs are almost always a sign of magnesium deficiency. Dark chocolate, pumpkin seeds, spinach, and black beans are excellent sources. Many older adults benefit from a magnesium glycinate supplement, 300 to 400 milligrams before bed. It also dramatically improves sleep quality, which is when muscles actually rebuild. Hydration. Ignored but critical. Dehydration reduces muscle function by up to 20%. Many older adults chronically underdrink because the thirst sensation diminishes with age. A good rule: drink half your body weight in ounces of water per day. For a 160-pound person, that's 80 ounces, about 10 glasses. Add electrolytes if you're exercising. So let's bring it all together. Margaret is hiking again. Not because she got surgery, not because she found a miracle pill, because she committed to these 5 simple exercises and fixed her nutrition. And here's what I want you to remember. Your legs are not broken. Your body is incredibly adaptable at any age. The research proves it. The only question is, are you going to give your body the signal it needs to change? Start with just one exercise today. If you can do nothing else, do ankle pumps right now in whatever chair you're sitting in. 3 minutes. That's where Margaret started. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It tells YouTube to show this to more seniors who need it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss our weekly senior health content. And drop a comment below. Which of these 5 exercises are you going to try first? I personally reply to every single comment. I'll see you in the next video. Take care of those legs. Your independence depends on them.